We are here at the Jim Scott Community Center for the Truth in Voice, Truth in Service event. And it is part of the National Day of Racial Healing, which has been since 2017. But we have been having this initiative in Fairfax County through Neighborhood and Community Services and our partners since 2024. So we are here to have an event for teens to come together and dialogue. So it is a component of the W.K. Kellogg Foundation's Truth in Healing Transformation Initiative, and it's to promote and repair damages caused by racism and promote trust and create connections for a more equitable future. First, we have the dialogue. So we have, our youth will be participating in healing circles where they're able to express themselves and have dialogues. And then they'll come together and create teams and do packing for the emergency support services supplied by the Department of Emergency Management.
When we talk about racial healing, I think it's important to have a more expansive perspective on how we propel this work forward. It's not just one day of racial healing, it's work that we do every single day, from understanding our history. Now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all Fairfax County residents, does hereby proclaim January 20th, 2026 as the Day of Racial Healing in Fairfax County, and calls upon all residents to participate in programs and activities that reflect our shared humanity and join ongoing efforts to create a more equitable and inclusive community for everyone.
It really helped me open up to other people that I didn't really know, be more confident to read out loud. So I decided to be the first reader for them. I read, and then that meant other people tuned in and started wanting to read. I would recommend it to more of my friends because some of my friends are a little shy. They don't want to get out of their comfort zone. They don't like talking to other new people, just like how I was. But bringing them here, they can step out of their comfort zone. They can meet new people that they didn't really know. They can learn more about other people and their perspectives of life.
So they're building skills and capacity within themselves to be the leaders and the part of the fabric that we want to see in our community going forward. To learn more about Truth in Voice and Truth in Service and all of NCS programs, please visit our website.